Hey, I'm Dusty, friends call me Moose, I'm the dude behind cameratips.com, and in this video I want to show you how to adjust ISO on the Sony a6000. Now on the back of the camera, go ahead and locate the ISO button, which is the right hand side of that control wheel. If we click that, we'll enter into the ISO menu. Now you're going to see two options here right at the very top, and it can be a little bit confusing. Now the one up here, this says on the left ISO auto, but then on the right it says multi-frame NR, which is for noise reduction. Below this we have on the left auto, and then on the right it says ISO auto. So to clarify this, we'll go back over here to the very top. This is a specialty mode for low light photography. Let's say you're taking pictures of stars or a low light landscape. The camera in this mode will take a couple images, merge them together to try to help reduce some of that grain. Now, this mode here, on the left it says auto and on the right it says ISO auto. This is auto ISO. So in this mode, the camera is going to automatically choose the ISO for you, commonly used with program mode, shutter priority, aperture priority, and you can actually even use it with manual mode. Now on the right, if we use the right hand of the command dial here, and we jump into this secondary option for ISO, we can set a minimum and a maximum ISO for the camera to use. So while the camera will select the ISO on its own, we can restrict it and say, let's not go above an ISO of 6400. So that gives you a little bit more control. Then if you want to go through and select your own ISO, you can do that from 100 all the way up to 25,600. Now, if you're still trying to figure out this camera, maybe you're unsure of which settings to use, I actually just released a set of really simple cheat sheets for the Sony a6000 that show you the exact settings I use for really popular scenarios like portraits, sports, landscapes, and more. You can kind of think of them like recipes. I show you with shooting mode, the exposure settings like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. I also go over the autofocus modes I use for various subjects and scenes. So if you want to check that out, I'll put a link down in the description below. Until next time, thanks for watching. Catch you later.